Namaste everyone. In today's video, I wanted to share with you some of the relaxing activities you can do to really recharge your mind, body, and spirit every single day. My name is Priya. I'm very passionate about sharing positivity and empowering others to live their life to their fullest. We're all creators. We have the capability to build our life the way we want, so let's make it beautiful together. So every single day we go through busy days in our life. Most of us are working, are studying, or taking care of our family, running around, and sometimes it goes non-stop. And I have been through that, where I'm non-stop thinking or doing things that are constantly requiring my energy physically, mentally, or emotionally. So at the end of the day, we're like machine. Our body is like machine. We need to recharge, just like how you would recharge your phone. You need to recharge yourself. So these activities you can do, not necessarily just end of the day, any time through the day, but you don't need to do all of them. Just decide which one you want to do in one of the days, which one you want to do like that specific day, and focus on doing that. And if you like multiple things, then you can do multiple things throughout the whole week and kind of allocate what you want to do on a specific day. So number one, and I always talk about this all the time, is really spending time with yourself, because you can't really recharge yourself unless you give yourself that space and time. So what you need to do is really, regardless how busy you think you are, have at least 10 minutes away from everything, everyone, and just have that 10 minutes either to reorganize yourself. But rather than reorganize yourself, I would say do something, just be conscious and be in the moment, be present, and sit in one place in silence. And you can do meditation, but if you don't feel like meditating, or if you don't know how to do meditation, at least learn to sit in silence for that 10 minutes, have some relaxation for that 10 minutes, and you would feel a difference. You would have more energy to do more work throughout the day. The other thing is that you can do is meditation, as I mentioned earlier. Meditation is really something that will give you so much power, so much energy. And the more you practice, the more it will become effortless. So learn to do more meditations throughout your life. If you can do it every day, even you don't need to spend too much time. 5 minutes is enough to do meditation. It's a nice way to recharge your mind, body, and your spirit. The next thing you can try out is doing yoga. Yoga is just what I said about meditation. It really unites your mind, body, and spirit, and it's a great way not just to develop yourself physically or in terms of strength and flexibility, but it also helps with connecting to your soul as well, the spiritual self within you. And when you do that, you become more powerful. You have more energy within you. So after doing yoga, you should feel more energetic rather than feeling tired. Yes, you might feel soreness if you're new to it. But eventually when you do it on a daily basis, it should give you more energy. So that's another way. Another way to do some relaxation is to really spend mindful 10-15 minutes in your bath. If you can sit in like salt water or like if you use aromatherapy, like oil essence and stuff like that, that can help you really relax. And it's actually nice to do it before you go to bed. If you can relax and go to bed that way, it's actually a beautiful experience. And you deserve that. You need to treat yourself to that. You need to put yourself give that time to yourself, because you need to show that love and care and pampering for yourself. If obviously the other things, like if you have opportunity to go for a massage, give some relaxation that way, that will be helpful as well. But make sure you take care of yourself. Have some herbal tea or whatever you are interested in drinking. If you're a coffee drinker, drink coffee, or just plain water, whatever it is. If you can have that sit by yourself, read a book. It will be a nice experience. If you're not into reading, listen to a podcast, or you don't even need to listen to all these things. You can really put yourself and connect yourself with nature, because that's also beautiful and the best music you can find out there. So listening to the birds sing, listening to the trees, the leaves, and all that, it's beautiful. So you can connect yourself that way as well. And another thing is really connecting yourself with your loved ones. Sometimes we get busy throughout our day that even we think about our friends and family, we don't have the time to reach out to them and talk to them. And not necessarily everybody's on the phone these days, but even just messaging them or connecting with people that are important to you is very important, because you're helping yourself and also you're helping that person, and letting them know that you care about them as well. So these are just some techniques that can help you, and you can use one of them each day. You don't have to do all of them together, but you can have a break one day and really do have a one full day of just pampering yourself and being relaxed. If you can take a mini vacation, even a 1-day vacation where you don't have to stay over, but you can go somewhere for the full day, connect with yourself to the nature, and just really do all of this, that would also help you recharge as well. I hope these ideas were helpful for you. If it was, please click the like button, share this video with others. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe, click the notification button, as I'm very determined to creating weekly videos for you guys to empower you to live the best version of you. Until then, namaste.